A discount is going to be what? That percentage of that mark price, isn't it? But because it's a discount, subtract it from the original mark price, right? Right? Did you hear me at all? I said right. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I asked a question. Did you understand what I just explained now?
No.
The question said 7.5% was offered as discount on the marked price. Then I said whatever is the marked price, it means we're going to find 7.5% of that marked price and subtract it from the marked price. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Because it's a discount. That's the whole idea. It's a discount. It's supposed to encourage the person to come back and buy again. Okay, because you are telling them that, oh, you don't have to pay the exact amount on this thing. You are paying something new. Okay, next time I'll come back and buy at the shop. Do you understand the strategy?
Yes.
Huh? Uh-huh. So what is the max price from the question?
How much
What's the
would
max
the
price?
dealer how much would the dealer pay
Uh,
buy how much will the buyer pay to the dealer for the good marked 620 naira?
620 naira. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to find 7.5% of 620 naira. When we get the answer, we'll subtract it again from what 620 naira to find out what the person paid for the goods actually. So that's what we're going to do. Now 7.5%. 7.5, we'll have to change it to what improper fraction because because of the nature of this kind of fraction.
15 over
So can you
2.
help me change 7.5 and we'll take it up from there?
15 over 2.
Good. 15 over 2. Good. 15 over 2. Now, because of that percentage, remember percentage means what? Over 100. Am I right?
Uh-huh. 15 over 200.
Uh,
15 over
so because
200.
of that yes, so because it's over 100, that 100 that is in the denominator will come and multiply the 2. Okay, so after 200, 15 over 200 times what? 100 times what?
620.
620. Are you with me?
Yes.
Over 1, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's cancel things. 1 0 200, we cancel the 0 in 620. Now let's with 15 over 20. Now, if I were you, I'll do this. I'll use 5 to go into 15, and I'll have
3 and
what? Internet acting up again. I'll use 5 to go into 15. Now I have 3, and I'll use 5 and go into 20, and now I'll have Now,
Your
can
voice is
you
cracking.
see how far I've gone so far? Calculate. Huh? Far I've
Your
gone.
voice was.
Hello, you there?
Huh? Hello.
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 Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, please, can you share your screen again? Not
Okay.
please share your screen again. It's not showing.
Stop share. Leave class.
Hello, can you hear
Hi.
me?
Now I can.
Google, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Hmm.
Hello.
With
Hello.
I can
Hello.
hear you. Heard you. I heard you. I can hear you. 7.5%. Or
Can we just start off from 15 over 2?
I have to wait because you are going to write it in your book. I don't want you to go and be writing half thing. We'll just take it gently. So that will now be 15 over 15 over 200. I hope you are paying attention. No. The rule is that you listen first, then you write later. Eh? Do you remember? Please,
Yes.
so that you pay attention when I'm explaining. Okay. Can you see my this thing as I'm writing it?
Yes.
Hmm? Okay.
Yes.
5 in 15 is 3. 5 in 20 is 4.
24.
Uh-huh. So now let's see, can 4 go into 62? Let's try, but it looks like there will be remainder. So what we're going to do is, let's say 2 in 4 is what? 2, right?
2.
2
3
in
and 6.
62
3.
is 31, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ah, this one is a bit tough because of the system. What I will do.
93
Now I'm going,
over
no, hold
2.
on, don't worry. Okay, that's another way we can do it. 93 over 2, right?
How?
Eh?
How is the answer 93 over 2?
We're not done. The answer is not, cannot be 93 over 2. Did I tell you that you should just find 7.5% or 620 and stop? I said we'll first find it, then we'll subtract the answer from 620. Didn't I say that?
Yes.
Hmm? Have we subtracted anything from 620?
No.
Do you understand why we have to subtract?
Huh?
Do you understand why
That's
we have to subtract?
to get the answer.
Oh, we have to subtract because it is a lower price than the original price of 620. I told you it's a discount. Discount means remove from the original price. Do you understand?
Yes.
So the thing is, you need to understand why you are doing what you are doing. If you know, you can't forget it. So do you now understand why you have to subtract from 620?
Yes.
So let us deal
Okay.
with it first. Let's deal with 93 over 2 because it's not looking good for us to work with. So what I'm going to do is we say 2 in itself is 1. Remember, we're looking for money. This is money we're talking about.
Doing
So 92 doesn't have money. 2 in 9 is what? 4. 2 in 9
remainder
is
1.
4. You put that one in front of 3, it becomes 13. Am I right?
Yes. Then now add 0. Then now add
0. Where did you get 0 from? You just say 2 is 36, remember 1 over 2. Where did you get 0 from? Not the one where you put 0. So
then add
the result here is not the answer, it's not the final answer. It's 46 and a half. And you know that because this is money that we're dealing with, right? 46 and a half can also be written as, talk to me.
46 naira 50 kobo.
Ooh, I like that. 46 naira 50
50 kobo.
Now, but we're not done. So let us now subtract 50 kobo from 620. Here goes. So we'll go here. 6, 2, 0.0.
0, 0.
Remember to arrange according to your decimal point. So we'll bring 46, 4 and put on that 6 and put on that 0. 5 and put on that first 0 in global side. And 0 to put on that second 0 in global side. Did you see how I arrange?
Yes.
Good. 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 0 minus 5 cannot. Borrow 1 from this guy who should have been 10. By the time you borrow 1 from me, it's 9 that will be
So
left.
this
And that's one that made this one to be 10, made these two to be 1. Does it make sense?
yes.
So 10 minus 5 is 5. Let's go back and finish our work. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay.
3.
12. So is it not 12? Oh. Now we now have to borrow 1 from 6 because 1 cannot minus 4, right?
Yes.
So it will become 11. So can you see how I'm doing it? So you can show your working very well where your working needs to be shown. 11 minus 4 is what? 7. And finally, 5 minus 0 is what? 5. So what is the final answer? What's the final answer?
3.50.
Yes. Did you notice that it is lower than 620 naira?
Uh-huh.
That is what it makes the user feels good, like wow, I should have spent 620 naira on something, but no, I spent 573 naira. Yes, it's still good money, but it's lower than I should have spent. That makes any user feel good, any buyer feel good. So it's the answer among the options there.
573. E.
But this thing anything good. All right. You want to write, you can write it, please write it down in that book that you have. Write it down in the book you have. And please write the year 2009, right?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead, put it down. And please read these books carefully. If I were you, I'll keep there's a particular place in my room. I'll have it on top of the table. Somewhere I can easily find it whenever it's time for class. Easily. Done.
No.
All right, keep going.
Are we ending by 6?
Are you done?
Yes.
What did you say?
Are we ending by 6?
Okay. we start by 5?
No. Yes.
And we make yesterday. So we are making up for yesterday class at plus today.
Eh?
Said we did not have class yesterday. So we are making up for yesterday's class at today.
So we're ending up by 6.
By 7.
Set.
Yeah. Is it not 1 hour we're supposed to do it? Do you remember? Right? What is it? You are tired,
Huh?
right? Eh? It's mathematics. You are
Yes.
tired because it's mathematics. Better wake
Yes.
up.
I
Yes, guys, you
rather
can't
do
tell me that thing. I'm not going to buy it at all. I won't. Better sit up. I'm telling you, if not, you will not like the result of this kind of attitude. I'm telling you, better sit up. Go to the next one.
A girl is carrying a basket containing 4 tubers of yam. If the basket and the 4 tubers of yam weigh 0.083 kgs, 2.008 kg, 1.902 kg, and 4.206 kg, respectively. What is the weight of her load?
What is the weight of what?
Her load.
Okay, so come again with the question. I was trying to get it. I had 4 tubers of yam. Okay, so 4 tubers of yam. Read the question again, please.
A girl is carrying a basket containing 4 tubers of yam.
Containing 4 tubers of yam. Okay, next. Go
If the
ahead now.
basket and 4 tubers of yam weigh 0.083 kg,
Hold on,
2.0
hold on,
kg.
hold on. So let's take it from the start. That second sentence, read it again.
Hmm? If the basket and the 4 tubers of yam weigh
Mm,
0.0,
Hold on. No. If the bas hold on. If the basket, okay. So if the basket and the 4 tubers of yam. Okay, hold on, no, hold on. Let me capture it so that you don't have to read it again. That's what I'm telling you to take time. And whenever you are reading, this thing that we're doing now is what you should be doing in your mind. You should be analyzing. You split the question down and take it. You know how you tear something into bits, like you're tearing paper. You break it down. That's what we're doing. So basket. Sorry, I didn't mean to say basket. Uh-huh. So basket. Uh-huh. Weigh what? So the uh-huh. Continue now.
0.083 kg.
Hold on. 0.083 kg because they said, you know why I'm doing it like this? Because they said respectively, and respectively means in the order that they are listed. Just be arranging. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. The next one, sugar one. So what's the next one after 0.083 kg?
2.00
2.00 what?
8 kg.
2.008 kg. Okay, next.
1.920.
1.920 kg, right?
Wait, no, 1.902. Eh?
You do think it's easy to be right? 1.902 kg. Next,
4.06 kg.
1.
4 points.
4.06 kg. Next,
That's all.
that's all.
Yes.
Slowly breathe now. Is there something I missed? Are you sure that this thing is not for 4 tubers of yam? Okay, oh yeah. Okay, so read the remaining part of the
Should I read
question.
it again? Should I read it again?
Yes, read it. Yes, please. Please read it again.
A girl is carrying a basket containing 4 tubers of yam.
Mm-hmm.
If the basket and the 4 tubers of yam weigh 0.083 kg, 2.008 kg, 1.902 kg, and 4.06 kg.
What did they not say? That's the question was looking at.
Respectively, what is the weight of her load?
What is weight and load? Wow. Okay, you know what I'm thinking? So this is what I'm thinking. What I was thinking is the weight of the basket is the weight of tuber 4. What do you think? Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So let's take that out and just call it C4. You know what I'm calling C4? The T is for tuber. I don't want to just be writing tuber because annotating is not that easy. So do you know what they're asking you to do? They're simply asking you to add up everything. What do you think? What do you think?
Mhm. Yes.
Oh yeah. You know this is decimal point, so you have to be careful how you arrange it. So I have not arranged anything. Don't even be fooled by how I put it like this. It is not arranged. So I'm going to arrange it now. 0. What? 83. Right?
Why don't you start
Then-
from the biggest one?
No, it's not. It does not. It's not about starting from the biggest one. It does not matter. It doesn't matter at all. Just arrange it according to the decimal point. It doesn't matter. They say you should arrange it in ascending order or descending order. Who cares whether it's the biggest one first? It is the decimal point here that's important. Yes.
1.902.
Yes, and then finally 4.06, right?
4.06.
Okay. Now, because there is nothing that comes after the 6, and all of them have three decimal places, we'll put a 0 to finish up that guy. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Ugo, does it Okay, good.
Yes.
Like, your voice is not sounding as if like not as we're finishing at 7. It's for your own good though. I'm telling you, if we keep on missing class and I'm not meeting up, at the end of the day you fall short and you don't want to be falling short and then all your friends in class are ahead of you. Do you want that? Do you want your friends to be ahead of you? Eh?
No.
Uh-huh. That
No.
will make you more resolute. Okay? So 3 plus 8 is what? Quickly answer the question. 3 plus 8 is what? Ugo, are you not there? 3 plus 8 is what?
11.
Use your mic again. Ugo, I'm not going to talk to you about it. I promise you I will end this class and I will report you to your mom. I'm telling you, before you have the chance to beg me, I promise you would have been receiving strokes of the cane. If you try it again, just dare me.
My
What sort of
dad
rubbish
said
is that?
I
Just
should.
try it again. Mute the mic. Just make
My
3 plus
dad
8 is
said
11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus
5.
0 is 13. So you write 3 and carry 1. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 0 again is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. You like, don't pay attention. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. And 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So the final answer is 8.053 kg. Is it clear how I got the answer?
Yes.
Simple addition. If you tell me no, of course, it's obvious that you're lying, unless you want us to take you back to primary 1. So that's the final answer. Please check among the options whether there's any that any answer like that among the options.
Huh?
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 You're not hearing me, Abby. You're acting as if you're deaf now. Is there any answer like that among the options?
E.
Is there any answer like that among the options?
E.
Huh?
Yes, E.
Hello?
Hi.
Write it down in your book quickly. Write it down in your book. I heard you. Please write it down in your book. There's a lag on the internet.
I heard you. Definitely from Europe. What is bar? Hello?
Yes, hello. I can hear you now. I can hear you. It was the internet. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go
What
ahead.
is bar?
Go, ignore that one. Ignore it. Don't worry. Because when I was thinking that the basket is part of what I'm talking about, it's only 4 tubers. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Ignore
Yes.
it. Just focus on the 4 tubers. Please write it down quickly. Let's move on to the next question.
I shouldn't write bar.
I said ignore it. Don't write it back. Just write 4 tubers and continue.
Okay. Papa sheep.
Are you done? You said I am singing black, black, black sheep. So you're not. I said, are you done?
No.
Oh, why is it that it took you like 5 minutes to answer me?
No reason.
One for the master, one for the slave, one for the little boy who lives on the water. Don't even remember the thing. Alright, tell me your dog.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm done, Mr. Charles.
Alright, so let's alright. So let's go on to that's 27 now. So let's hear 27. Okay. Yes, now let's hear 27.
Okay. Um.
I'm listening now, go.
Huh?
Page number 27 now.
Oh.
Ah.
In a bag of 4 red balls, 6 yellow balls, and 2 blue balls, what is the probability of picking a blue ball?
Okay, come again with the question. 4 red. Next,
Yellow, 2 blue.
8 yellow. Did you say 8 yellow?
6.
Oh, 6, sorry. Let me get the right one. 6 yellow. Next, after 6 yellow.
2 red.
2 red again.
Sir, 2 blue.
That's great. So we started with red and now say 1 white. 2 blue and how many more?
That's all. What is the probability of picking up a blue?
Okay, probability of picking up a blue. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be the first question of probability we're doing together, right?
Uh-huh.
So now let me tell you what probability is like. Probability is like a way of mathematically guessing something. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
Let me give you an example of probability. What's the probability that it's going to rain tomorrow? What do you think? What do you think? What's the probability that it's going to rain tomorrow? Can you make an educated guess on that? Do you think there's a high probability to rain?
The sky tomorrow.
What do you think?
I need to see the sky before I know.
If you want to use sky to predict, now let me tell you
Huh?
something. Whatever you base your probability on, your decisions on has to be something that is solid. Are you sure you want to look at the sky and use that to guess?
Yes.
Okay, now let me ask you, what are your reasons for using the sky? Then I'll now tell you why using the
Because
sky.
I want to check if there's a black cloud.
Okay, so
Cloud,
if there's a black cloud, then that means that it is very likely that it will rain tomorrow. Is that what you're saying?
yes.
Now, let me ask you one question that will further establish whether you are right or wrong. How many times have you seen black clouds and it didn't rain eventually? How many times have you seen that happen? Can you count? Can you
I don't,
remember how many?
not really.
Uh,
Just
you know
once.
that even this morning, no, I'm not talking about something like last week. Today, like this, today, there were dark clouds, yet it didn't rain. Do you know that happened?
No.
Okay, so
But it's
what I'm
most light.
just trying to say that the probability of rain falling will not be based on whether you saw a dark cloud or not. So now this is what I would say is a dependable way to judge your probability by. For instance, number one, are we in a month that is usually regarded as the
No.
beginning of rainy season? Are we in that kind
No.
of month? No. But which month? Did you notice that last month, September, it rained heavily? Two of us.
Very true.
eh, But not all the days in September had dark clouds. But rain still fell. See that? What I'm just trying to say is that there are some other things that should govern your decision for probability, not just presence of dark clouds. Okay. Anyway, just to use that as an example. Let's come back to our mathematical probability now. Probability of something. Okay, let me give you the formula. Then we'll now apply it. Please take note. I'm going to put this in a. All right.
Pi RP.
Uh, so I'll put it in a box. The reason why I'm putting it in a box is so that you will remember it and take note that this is a standard. It is a formula. Okay. So the probability that an event E will happen. Okay. The probability of an event happening is given by, now please watch your,
Who is that?
what is it? Who are you talking to?
I said, who is that?
Let's say anything. Let's say star.
I thought I heard you say sir.
So probability of an event happening is given by number of required events
460.
over number of possible events. Have you seen that formula before?
Nope, nada.
Okay, I'm sure that you have seen it now, and it will ring a bell in your memory when next you need it. Possible event. That's the denominator. So can you see that probability is simply a fraction? Okay, the probability is simply a fraction. So we're going to learn some other things about probability. At least now, I'm sure that probability is a fraction. Are you listening to me? The probability is a
Yes.
fraction. That means that the highest value it can be. And okay, now let me be very, very frank. Please come and notate in the book.
Okay.
the highest value it can be is 1. Okay? But the numerator will always be smaller than the denominator. So that means that the highest value it can ever be is 1. The highest probability is 1. The lowest probability is 0. 0 means it can never happen. 1 means that's the highest it can be if that will happen. Okay? So in this case, let us apply it to this question. The probability that you pick a blue bomb, right, is what? Number of required events. So required means whatever the question is asking about. So this question is asking about blue balls. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So how many blue balls are there in the picture?
2.
And so you just picture 2 there. You can see our probability is very simple. Number of required events, whatever the question is asking about. In this case, it's number of blue balls, which is equals 2. Or a number of possible events. Number of possible events usually means number of total. Okay? Did you get what I said?
10.
What did you say?
10.
No, it's 10 now, bro. It's 12.
How?
Check it. 2 plus 6 plus 2 is what?
Oh, I didn't know the 2 was involved.
It was involved, bro. Very, very involved. Do you know why it is involved? Because it's a possible
Why?
event. All of them could have been.
Oh, yeah, it is.
You understand? So all of them are possible events. So you have to add up all of them, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right. So let's go ahead. Now, anytime you have a fraction, whether it is probability or in any other
2.
part of you break it
1
down
over 6.
very much. So your final answer was 1 over.
1 over 6.
Okay. Simple, right?
Kind of.
Yes. So I just noticed that there's a spelling error here. So please, can you help me correct your book? The word possible has double S. Okay, so please, when you're writing it in your book, kindly put the double S. Don't make a
Yes,
mistake.
sir. Mouse. Mouse. Mouse.
Okay, are you done now?
Almost.
Okay.
I just started writing.
What happened?
And I'm done.
Good. Okay. Okay, so let's do number 28. Let me see. My non need to wipe up the screen.
What number we stop it? 28. Find the diagram below. The diagram below is a rectangle. If the perimeter is 36, find this area.
Okay, so can you tell me how the diagram looks?
Okay. Eh?
Oh, don't thank you. Why are you going like this now? I can't see. What's the
Share
make that
outside.
I can't see what you're doing. Make the diagram bigger. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. No, not too big, but at least bigger. X plus 5 meters. Okay. X plus 1. Okay. Okay. All right. And they said the perimeter is what? 36 meters, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then after you should find the area. So do you know the secret to this question?
No.
You need to find out the value of x. You need to find out the value of x. So if you can find out the value of x, then it, it, it becomes easy to find out what the length and the breadth are. Then we can now find the area. Okay. So the good
Oh,
thing is that they give us the perimeter. So that's what we're so with that perimeter, which is 36, see what we're going to do. Remind ourselves what the perimeter is. P equals what? 2 into length plus breadth, isn't it?
3 into brackets, length per breadth, yes.
Length plus breadth. Now the length is, I think, x plus 5, because that one looks longer because of the x plus 5. So we're going to say 2 into bracket x plus 5. Just follow me. It's a very simple thing. 2 into bracket x plus 5 plus breadth. The breadth in this case is the shorter one, which is x plus 1, isn't it? Does x plus 1
Yes.
not look x plus 5?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Now don't forget that the perimeter was given to us as what? 36. So this is an equation that we now have. We'll solve it. Watch what I'm going to do with it. It's very, very simple. The 2, you can keep the 2. You can keep the 2 outside until you are done with the inside the bracket. Now, if you collect like terms, you are having what?
Hmm?
Sorry, don't worry, I'm going to do it.
What you say?
Collect like terms. X, the X here is a like term, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So X plus itself, X plus X is what? Is it
X.
not 2X?
Yes.
Then 5 plus 1 is what? 6,
6.
right? Now, what I'm
Yeah.
going to do with is just watch. So it's very, very simple. 36 is still outside. 2 times 2, the 2 outside the bracket, we multiply the 2 inside to make that 2x to become what? 4x. Okay? That's what I'm doing now is called expansion. It's a skill in algebra. The 2 outside again, we multiply that plus 6. 2 times plus 6 will give you what? Plus 12, because 2 times 6 is 12, right?
Mm.
Now, I'm still going to collect like terms. Tell me what I'm going to do when I want to collect like terms now. Should we make the 12 go and meet the 36? Is that better?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let the 12 go and meet the 36. It will become 36 minus 12, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And 36 minus 12 is what? Tell me what's the answer. So that we'll put it there on the next step. Eh?
24.
Okay, good. 24, correct. So 24 equals 4x. So what will we now do to both sides to find x? Remember, that's our first job, to find x.
Must
That's not the final. Eh? Stop
divide.
now. We divide both sides by what? By 4, right? So if you divide both
Yes.
sides by 4, you have 24 over what? 4 equals 4x. I almost went and wrote x there. So 24 over 4 equals 4x over 4, right?
Mm. Which
24
is
over
6.
4 will give you what? 6. Thank you. Okay, so it looks better with your times table. So 4 times 6 is 24. So that means that x is equal to what? 6. But that's not, please
24.
fool you. That's not the final answer. Okay, so x is 6 meters. Now the final answer, because the question said, what is the area of this shape? So I told you that to find the area of the shape, you need to find what x is. Because if you don't know what the length is, and what the breadth, area is equal to what? Length times breadth. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
So area is equal to length times breadth. So for you to find the length, to know the length and the breadth, you must find the value of what? L and B. So now let us find what's the length now. We said that length is x plus 5, isn't it?
11. 11.
Thank you very much. Smart guy. And what is my breadth?
7.
No. Oh yes, 7.
Mm.
Sorry. Yes, you're right. It's 7. Correct. Now 11 times 7 is what? 77.
7.
And that is what? Don't forget the unit. The unit will be what?
Yes.
Meters square. Okay. All right. Any questions on that? It's easy, Abby.
No.
Eh?
Yes.
All right. So you can write it down. Then take a 5 minutes break. Then we'll now do the remaining minutes to 7. You can write this down in your
I
book and take a 5.
feel like sleeping.
Okay. Let's not take the break now. Let's just finish. Then you can go and sleep.
Okay.
Okay. So write it down in your.
P equals 2.
Now remember, anytime you're writing down questions like this, even when you are solving it in the exam, remember to always draw that sketch of the rectangle before you start. Why? It will help you to properly appreciate the question and answer it correctly. It helps you to see things in the question now that you couldn't see otherwise. Just do a sketch. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just the way you do this shape. It doesn't really look like a rectangle, but at least it's close. Just do a sketch. Not be perfect. Don't start looking for that raw rectangle, perfect rectangle. Not really.
I'm done.
Good job. I like that. Okay, so let's clear all the drawing. Give us some space. Okay, okay. So we're going to number 28, right?
Yes. No, number 29.
Oh, number 29, sorry. Now,
The average of three numbers is 25. Two of them are 45 and 16, respectively. Find the third number.
wow. Let's take it one more time. The average of three numbers is what?
25.
In fact, they now gave us two of those numbers. Oh, yeah. What are the two numbers?
45 and 16.
45 and 16. Okay, now look
6.
at and what?
1 year above fortune.
Oh, okay. Did you say 16 or 60?
16.
Okay, 16. Okay. All right. Now the third one, we don't know the third one. So guess what we're going to do? We'll use X
16.
for it.
No 6.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
1 at the back.
Okay. So okay. Like this. Oh, but I wrote 16 now. Why did you not say 15?
You wrote 6.
Ah, okay. I got you. No problem. No problem. I understand what you meant now. Okay, so one, that's why you said one at the back. Okay, so 45 plus 16 plus x over 3. I hope you know that's what it means by average, right? When they say average of something, it means add up those numbers and divide by the number of things you added. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Okay, Now, what I just did now was I summarized the question in mathematical form. So now let us solve it. Remember, our job is to find x, right?
61.
Understand? Our job is to find x, right?
61x over 3.
Is it 61x? Where did you get 61x? I'm asking a question. Our job is to find x, isn't it?
Yes.
Now 45 plus 16
61.
is it 51 or 61?
I said 61.
Eh, please forget that there's a plus sign there between the 61 and the x. Don't go and make a mistake and say 61x. If you make that mistake, I can assure you, yeah, you definitely fail the question. So 61 plus x over 3. Right. Now, what do you think we're going to do next? Let me see if you have an idea. What should we do next after this step? Let me see.
The
Any idea? Now, let me give you a clue. In that last question that we did, there was a place where we had 24 equals 4x. In that case, you told me that we should divide both sides by 4, isn't it?
Yes.
Do you know why you said that? Because the opposite of division, the opposite of multiplication is what?
Division.
Good.
Minus.
In this case, hold on now, hold on. In this case, we have a division sign and we have 3 there. So what's the opposite of division in this case?
Multiplication.
Excellent. All you now need to do is what? Multiply both sides by what? 3. Now, I know you're thinking about the addition sign on top, but if you don't take care of what do you call it, that denominator there, forget it. That addition, you cannot do it because it's stuck. Okay, so you have to deal with the what? The 3 that is under by doing what? Doing the opposite of what? Division, which is what? Multiplication. Now, please take note that you must do it on both sides. Did you get what I just said now? You must do it on both sides. Why? Because that's the only time that the equation will be balanced. If you don't do it on both sides, imagine you have a scale. You only added weight to one side, eh? And you did not add weight to the other side. Will it not tilt towards one side?
Uh-huh.
Eh, so we don't want that. We want to be very fair. So anything you do to one side, you must do to the other side.
It'll tilt to
Yeah,
the side that has no weight.
yeah, yes, you're right. So now I have it that
Hear what I said.
yes, I heard what you said. I said you're right.
It
You're
will
right.
tilt to the side that has no weight.
Yes. No, it's not possible. It will tilt to the side that has more weight.
I know
Okay.
that's what I
Okay. Okay. I thought you said something. All right. So
that's how I was
25 times.
but in sarcasm.
Oh, I understand. Yes, I know. You like doing that. 25 times 3 is what?
Let me see. 75.
Excellent. 75. So now you can now do what you wanted to do. So what should we do to both sides now to find x? What should we do to both sides now to find x?
Minus
Minus what?
61 and 75.
So in other words, minus 61 from both sides, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now let me show you something. I'm thinking in my mind that you said subtract 61 from both sides. you thought it is because of this plus sign that I'm pointing at. I put that
Eh?
arrow at 4.
You thought that was?
Is it because I'm am I right? You are thinking that it's because of that plus sign that I put that arrow on. Can you see that arrow I put there?
You just put it now.
Yes, I just put it down now. Have you seen it?
Uh-huh.
Do you think that that's the reason why we said subtract 61 from both sides?
No. You are correcting
Okay.
like said.
Okay. So tell me, why is it that you said subtract 61 from both sides? Why didn't you say add 61 to both sides? Tell me why.
Because you are collecting like the sign that's in front of 61 will change.
I like that answer you gave me. Lovely answer. Tell me, what is the sign in front of 61? And show me where that sign is located. Show me that sign where it is located quickly.
Since 61 is a positive sign, the plus sign will be at the back. There will be an
Where?
invisible.
Oh, man. Excellent. I like that. Don't draw it. Don't draw it. I understand what you're saying. I like that. Good, good, good. I like that. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's continue. Let's continue. Nice one. Okay. So thank you for saying that. It made so much sense to me. So x equals 75 minus 61. So let's quickly subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4, and 7 minus 6 is 1. Therefore, x is
1,
equal to what?
2, 14.
Okay, so go ahead and write.
Okay. I'm done.
Okay, nice. All right.
30.
Okay, so
Find the cube root of one whole number 91 over 125.
wow. One whole number 91 over 100
125. Find the cube root.
and cube root. Nice. Now, do you see that this question looks simple, but it's not so simple if you don't know what to do. Now, let me ask you, let me see if you have an idea. What should we do when we see a question like this, like they're asking us for cube root of a fraction, not even square root, but yeah, something you have done. What should we do?
I don't know.
Guess now, guess. What do you usually do whenever you see mixed number, whole number and a fraction? What do you usually do first?
Turn to improper.
Thank you. Change it to an improper fraction. Oh yeah, let's go. So change this to an improper fraction. What will it become?
Come on.
One. eh? Are you calculating it in your book?
216.
Oh, okay, nice. So I'm just writing this down for me. 125 times 1 plus 91 all over was 125. Yeah. So you said it gave you what? 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nice.
Because I didn't even have to times 125 by 1. Because I already knew what it is.
Just added it, right?
Uh-huh.
So that's what it will give us. Now you know what we're going to do now? We can now go ahead and do our cube root sign. And to do cube root sign, it looks like square root sign, but you're going to write small 3 outside. Please, that is not division. No. It's not division, it's cube root. Now, if square root means one number that when you multiply it by itself will give you the number that we're looking for, like square root of 9 is 3, then that means that cube root,
Square root of 36 is 6.
yes, thank you, like square root of 36 is 6. Cube root will now mean that we're looking for the number that when you multiply it by itself 3 times, isn't it? Will give you each of these numbers. So now, just by looking at it, can you guess? For
No.
instance, now 2. Okay. Now, do you know that you even
5.
somehow you've even told yourself the answer and you didn't know you were telling yourself the answer? Do you know that?
How?
Yes, right. Look at it. What's the last digit? The last digit always gives you a hint of the number you're dealing with. What number that is square ends with 6?
55.
What? Eh?
55.
No. A number that is square ends with 6. What are the numbers that come to your mind that they are square? Take note of what I'm saying. They are square
56.
and okay. Now okay, maybe I should say it this way. So the square ends with 6, and when you multiply it by the number itself again, the answer will end with 6 again. So now don't think of 4 because 4 times 4 is 16. But 16 times 4 is definitely not ending with 6. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Uh-huh.
So that's why I said that I've even given you the answer. You said 6,
6.
isn't it? Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
So the answer is 6 for the top one. I, I did say that the answer is only 6, so I said for the top one. So the cube root of 216 is 6. Maintaining the order, put your sign, your division sign there, your fraction sign. What is this, the cube root of 125? I'm sure you know the answer already. What number, when you multiply it by itself 3 times, will give you 125?
5.
Thank you very much. The answer is
Wait,
5.
if you multiply 5 times,
Yes,
let me
yes.
do 5.
And also,
Yes.
doubting yourself. You're correct. You're correct. So that's the final
Okay.
answer.
I've gotten the bottom one. 6. 36 times 6. 6 times 6. 36. 6. 36 times 3. That's right. It's 2, 3. Okay, I'm correct.
Okay, write this down.
That's all right.
Yes, we'll stop here for
1
today.
1 1 over 5. B.
Okay, so this coming Saturday, will you be free? Will you be able to come online so that we can have class at 9 o'clock?
I'm not sure. Ask my
Okay,
mom.
but you're sure about 10 o'clock, Abby?
I'm not sure if I might be able to come for
Why do you
class.
say so? Why do you say
Because
so? Are you
since
guys
we
going?
went, I think we might go for exercise again. I'm not sure.
Okay, okay, all right. Just let me know if you will be going.
Okay,
Mm.
I'm done.
All right. So please try and look for the other book so that you view, so that we don't lose all that we have done. It's not really nice
Done.
that we work like this and just throw away your books. All right. So we'll meet
You do
again
that
on Saturday.
when I'm now having class very, very frequently. I haven't been seeing my book, and I'm not
Okay.
sure if there's
You
someone
will find it.
else.
Just be patient. You will find it. Check your things. You will find it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So enjoy your week and have a blessed morning. All right.
Have
Bye
a
bye.
good one.
Yeah, you